Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to SaaS Beast Pro. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how you can clean up your C drive and free up storage on your Windows 11 laptop or PC. So let's dive directly into it. I have prepared a small list of steps that we are going to follow throughout this video. So let's start with our step number one, which is the most easiest in this entire list, that is clean recycle bin. So for that, we are going to click on this Windows icon, and in the search bar we are going to type recycle bin, and as you can see, the recycle bin pops up, and we are going to click in here. Okay, so you can see that my recycle bin is already empty, but yours probably will not be empty, because there will be a list of applications here that you have deleted from your computer, but that are not permanently removed from your computer. So what you can do is you can just select all of them by pressing Ctrl A, or by manually selecting it through your mouse cursor, and then just click on delete here. As you can already see that there is an option empty recycle bin in here, which is not enabled in my case because my recycle bin is already empty. But you can just click in this empty recycle bin section option, and it would automatically remove all your files from this bin. Okay, so moving to our next step, that is remove unnecessary applications. So for this, we are again going to click on this icon, and we are going to go to our settings. Under settings, you'll see that there is an option which is apps. Under this apps, there is another option which is install apps. Okay, so here is a list of all the installed apps that are currently installed on my computer. So you can just click on uninstall button of any of the applications that you don't use. So for me, let's just take this as an example, nmap. So if I just click on uninstall, okay, so it's just going to say that this app will be all uninstalled. Okay, so I'm just going to click uninstall, and it's going to ask for permission. I'm just going to click yes as an administrator, and as you can see that this app is going to completely get removed from my device. Okay, completed. Okay, great. So now moving on to our next step, that is storage cleanup. Okay, so for this, we are again going to our settings. We are going to type settings. Okay, and under the left panel we will click on systems. Okay, under system there is an option, you will see storage. I'm going to click on here, and again it is asking for my administrative permissions. I'm going to click yes here. Okay, so as you can see, there is a option under the storage management which is called storage sense. Make sure that this is toggled on, and just below that you will see another option called cleanups recommendation. We are going to click on here, and we are going to click on see advanced options. Okay, now here there are a lot of unnecessary files that you don't currently need, and your system is automatically deleting them. Okay, so make sure that you check all these options, and then if you just simply click on remove files, you will see that total selected 1.71 GB. So if you click on remove files, all these unwanted files will get removed from your computer. Okay, okay, I guess it's done. Yes. So okay, now moving on to our next step, that is disk cleanup. Okay, so for disk cleanup, we are again going to click on this icon, and in the search bar we are going to search for disk cleanup, and you'll see a pop-up that it basically tells me to select which drive I want to clean, which disk I want to clean. So as we are cleaning everything from our C drive and removing unnecessary things from our C drive, we are going to select C and click on OK. It would take some time to calculate, and after calculating, it would show that these are all the unnecessary files in your C drive that you need to clean to free up your space. Okay, so I will check each and every one of them, and I will click on this option which says clean up system files. Okay, and I'm going to click again on Windows C, and now it's calculating one more time. Let's just give it some time. it's saying that this may take a few minutes. Okay, so while this gets completed, let's just move on to our last and the fifth step, that is remove extra accounts. So for removing extra accounts, under this settings again, you will see in panel that there is another option named as accounts. Okay, so if you go in their accounts, I only have one account in here, but you might have multiple account running simultaneously in your computer. So just make sure that you log out from all the accounts that you don't frequently use. Okay, so yes, that's all from my side. And as you can see in our step 4, this thing is still loading, but after this load gets completed, your disk will eventually get cleaned automatically. Okay, and that is how you can effectively clean your C drive and free up space on Windows 11. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.